Good morning. I'm rocking out. Welcome to Day 5 Challenge. You guys, if you haven't done the first 4 days, you can find those links above or below this video somewhere. I put them somewhere. Make sure you check them out. The purpose of these videos is to help you build your confidence in the workouts that I do, moving to a beat, knowing the moves, knowing the names, listening for the cues, and getting into a routine with your fitness so that you can go into 2021 like on fire, okay? So go do them. They're super fun. We moved to music, as you can hear in the background. This is my virtual studio. Welcome. My name is Kate, if you don't know me, and I really hope you enjoy this and it gets you moving. So we're going to do a power section today. So typically in all of my classes, there's a section or two where it's pure cardio. The purpose is to spike your heart rate. People sometimes call it HIIT, high intensity interval training, pure cardio section. The purpose is just to get your heart rate up, spike it. And then we usually bring it back down after that section with something a little bit lighter. So we're gonna go through a power section today. And I'm gonna show you the moves. It's very basic moves. We only have 4 moves and we repeat those a few times. So not a ton of choreography to memorize, but the hard part of this section is how hard it is physically, okay? So quote of the day, we always have one in class as well. And you guys, if you're not in the Facebook groups, make sure you're in our Facebook group. So they're also linked below somewhere, above or below. Join my group to get all the daily class links for my live classes, to hang out with really fun people, and join Lindsay's group to be winning all the fun things for workout gear. She's giving away awesome things for participating in these daily challenges. It's so cool. Okay, let's get into it. When you come to my class, it's really awesome. I have a front view and a side view for you. You guys, you want to dance? That's one of my favorite power songs. That's why I picked it for you. Okay, here are the moves. We do knees. We do lots of knees in power sections. They're easy. You step across your mat, step into the heel. You pull your knee to your hands. Okay, chest stays up. Notice my upper body's not moving. Just my arm and leg are moving. And then we switch, other side. It's fast. We go to the beat. And it's a step and pull. Now you can choose your arms. You can keep them low if it's too much to have them high, or you go big. You gotta pick. Okay, those are knees. Then in this one we have a fun squat hop. Now you can do squat hops. They're wide squats. You can hop up and down your mat, or I like to snap and we do a squat walk. Okay, it takes out the impact and you're still working. So we snap our fingers and we move back and up the mat. See the beat? You guys, you're gonna have so much fun with this. I do. Okay, we do have some burpees. Usually we have some burpees. If you don't want to do the full burpee, you can do the modification where you just squat, step back, squat, stand up. Squat, step back, squat, stand up. Full burpee, you're jumping down, out to plank, jumping in, jumping up, okay? Last move, we do stay down. So you will go down and stay down in that plank position. And we have mountain climbers. You pull the knee to your opposite elbow, butt stays down. This is very challenging. If it's too much, you can do knee taps, or you can stay in plank, or you can drop to your knees and just stay here and rock out. Okay, you gotta pick your level. Let's do it. We go through those moves a few times. They just keep repeating. You ready to spike your heart rate? Take breaks if you need to. Okay, meet me at the center of your space. Oh, I need to turn our music up. Hold on. We gotta blast music. We blast music in my classes. I won't turn it up as loud as I normally do in a class, but I'll turn it up so that you can hear it better. Okay, I'm turning it up, turning it up, turning it up. In my classes, we turn it up loud, loud, so that you can blast. I recommend a good pair of headphones, okay? Then you get the best music experience. Okay, now we're ready. Center of your space. Find that beat. You got the double knees to start. Okay, so we're gonna be stepping to the right. We're gonna pull the knees twice. Here we go, step, pull. Now switch. So it's fast. You gotta make a big step across your mat. Make sure you don't trip on your mat. Hey, we got the squat hop. Snap your fingers. Get low and back it up. Now bring it front. Yes. some burpees. Down, back, jump it in and up. Option. You don't have to do the full burpee. One more. Now we do need to stay down and plank. Stay here, mountain climbers. Go. Pull, pull. Options. You can tap your knee, butt down, or you can drop to your knees if you need the break. Okay, hop it in. 2 knees from the top. Yes. We're gonna repeat. Switching sides. Heart rate is up. Woo! Okay, squat hops. Back it up. Snap your fingers. Get low. Chest is up. Core is tight. Bring it up. Go lower. Oh yeah. Feeling the burn. Woo! Burpees go. Down. Back. Jump it in and up. Option. You don't have to jump. Woo! Okay, we are going to plank for mountain climbers. Pull it in. Try to match the beat if you can. If you can't, it's all good. Here's your option. Okay, hop it in. Knees, pull to the right, switch. It's fast. It's all good if you can't keep up the first time. Allow yourself to be a beginner. Woo! Squat, hops, back it up. Get a little bit lower. That last time through the moves. Yeah, we got burpees. Choose your level, go. Again. We got it. 2 more. One more. Drop to plank. Mountain climbers, pull, pull. Or your knee taps, or you just hold plank. Woo! Shaking, shaking. Drop to your knees. Press back to child's pose. Yes, we did it. Come up. Claps for yourself. Yeah. Okay. Breath. Heavy. Heart beating. Yeah, that's power section. Okay, I'm gonna turn the music down here. Oh man. My heart is beating. Okay, so that's power. It's short and sweet. Sweet. Give it a try a few times. Maybe watch it the first time and then try it. And then the more you do it, the more you're gonna get it, and the more confident you're going to be doing that move. So you guys, every day when you come to my class, you get a sticker. I keep forgetting to show these in the other challenges. Today it was artichoke. Why? Because I bought an artichoke this week and I'm gonna make it. And I've never bought an artichoke in my life. So okie dokie artichoke. So like I said, make sure that you're in our Facebook group. We do have an amazing group of people that do show up pretty much every single day. And we've got an amazing community that you are welcome to join. It's open to anybody. I know if you do a workout, you're gonna have a post-workout high, and it's the most amazing feeling in the world. So enjoy it. You guys have a great day. Please share this challenge with anybody that you think might enjoy it. Post your pictures in the group to win the prizes, and we'll see you tomorrow. No, we'll see you Monday. We're only gonna do the challenges Monday through Friday. So we'll see you Monday for day 6. All right, bye guys, take care.